Hello, my dear children. Welcome to Hidaya online class. Hope all of you are doing well. Okay, very good. I am Rasida, your social science teacher. So let's start our social science class. Okay, students. In the previous class, we will discuss about equatorial climatic region. Can you say in which continent the equatorial climatic region are found? Yes, very good. They are Congo River Basin in Africa, Amazon River Basin in South America, Southeast Asian countries in Asia. Okay, students, shall we continue our lesson? Okay. The equatorial climatic region is characterized by dense forest with hardwood trees like mahogany, ebony, and rosewood, etc. The trees in this forest do not shed their leaves owing to high atmospheric temperature and copious rainfall. Hence, these forests are called equatorial evergreen forest. അതായത് സമൃദ്ധമായിട്ട് സൂര്യപ്രകാശവും മഴയും ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനാൽ തന്നെ എന്താണ് ഇവിടെയുള്ള മരങ്ങളൊന്നും ഇലകള് പൊഴിക്കാറില്ല. Okay, all of you clear? Okay. Collecting forest resources is a major livelihood in the equatorial climatic region. Collecting forest resources is a major livelihood in the equatorial climatic region. The fauna here is diverse with simian species like apes, lemurs, orangutans, reptiles crawling from tree to tree. Animals like hippopotamus and crocodile that mostly dwell in water, and the birds like parrots, hornbill, etc. Most of the animals in equatorial forest are tree dwellers. Why? The equatorial climatic region is characterized by dense forest. More than 1,000 species of plants grow densely in every square kilometers area of the equatorial forest region. Due to the shade of hardwood trees and the presence of densely plants, sunlight does not directly fall on the soil, so undergrowth is less. So, most of the animals in equatorial forest are tree dwellers. അതായത് ഇക്വറ്റോറിയൽ ക്ലൈമാറ്റിക് റീജിയനിൽ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് എബ്സ്, ലെമേഴ്സ്, ഓറംഗൂട്ടാൻസ്, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഹിപ്പപ്പൊട്ടാമസ്, ക്രൊക്കോഡൈല്, പിന്നെ ബേർഡ്സ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പാരറ്റ്സ്, ഹോൺബില്ല്, ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള ജീവികളൊക്കെയാണ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കൂടുതലായിട്ട് കാണപ്പെടുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു ക്ലിയർ? ഓക്കെ. All places in the equatorial climatic region are not forest land. In some places like Brazil, Malaysia and Indonesia, which fall in this climatic region, agriculture, mining and industrial activities are effectively practiced. These places have been transformed into big cities. Shall we check the biodiversity in the Amazon River Basin? Okay. Pearl, most expensive rainforest rich in biodiversity, belong to the Amazon River Basin in South America. Very high day temperature and abundant rain foster the region's rich biodiversity. Innumerable species of vegetation ranging from tall hardwood trees to moss are the speciality of the region. Infinite species of microorganisms, insects, different type of monkeys, amphibians, reptiles, birds, etc. also add to the biodiversity of this basin. Okay, all of you clear? Another climatic region is dry sandy structures. Students, can you identify the region? Yes, you are right. These are deserts. Do you know what is a desert? A large dry barren region because of little rainfall. Okay, this region usually have sandy soil, little or no vegetation. The hot deserts are located along the western margin of continents on both the hemisphere between 20° and 30° latitude. Okay, what is desert? The hot desert are located along the western margin of continents on both the hemisphere between 20 degree and 30 degree latitude. See, these are the inhabitants of the hot deserts. The aboriginal tribes of Kalahari known as Bushmen, Torrent people of Western Sahara, Bedouins of the Arabian desert. They are the inhabitants of the hot deserts. Okay, the aboriginal tribes of Kalahari known as Bushmen, Torrent people of Western Sahara, Bedouins of the Arabian desert. These are the inhabitants of the hot deserts spread over the different continents of the world. The lifestyle of this group is in accordance with the climatic characteristics of this region. Okay, clear? Do you know the common characteristics of hot deserts? Though the day temperature is very high, nights are cool here. Okay, the day temperature is very high, nights are cool here. Summer are very hot, but very low temperature is experienced in winters. Okay, though the day temperature is very high, nights are cool here. Summers are very hot, but very low temperature is experienced in winters. The amount of rainfall is very less here. Okay, the amount of rainfall is very less here. Cacti, acacia, etc. form the common vegetation in these dry lands with the very high temperature and dry winds. The cacti has no leaves, only fleshy stems. A few species of animals adapted to the physical conditions of hot deserts are seen here. Camels, donkeys, horses, fox, snakes, scorpions, lizards, etc. form the fauna here. Okay, donkeys, camels, horses, foxes, snakes, scorpions, lizards, etc. form the fauna here. Hunting and cattle rearing is the major livelihood of the aboriginal tribes of the hot deserts. Hunting and cattle rearing is the major livelihood of the aboriginal tribes of the hot deserts. Meat, milk, millets, dates, etc. form their diet. Okay, meat, milk, millets, dates, etc. form their diets. Okay, clear? Permanent settlements are found only around oases in hot deserts. Permanent settlements are found only around the oases in hot deserts. Do you know what is oasis? Oases are the places where water is available in hot deserts. Oases are the places where water is available in hot deserts. Plants, animals and human habitation are largely concentrated in and around the water bodies. Okay, plants, animals and human habitations are largely concentrated in and around these water bodies. Agriculture is sparse in hot deserts. Do you know why? The amount of rainfall is very less, high temperature, dry winds and scarcity of water. Okay, the agriculture is sparse in hot deserts. Do you know why? The amount of rainfall is very less, high temperature, dry winds, scarcity of water. Agriculture is very difficult here. Okay, students, that's all for today. We will continue this topic in next class. You have any doubt from the topic, you can ask me. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you.